So this is the simple method that you use to pay for products on Alibaba.com. So if you want to pay for products on Alibaba.com, you have different methods that you can use to pay for these products. The first step to this is to create an account on Alibaba.com, and then you need to find the product that you want to buy. So I have gone on to search for a rechargeable fan that I want to buy. So yours can be anything, so just search for what you want to buy. I also came down here and then I selected ready to ship. This means I want to buy products that are ready to be sent immediately, because the way Alibaba works is that Alibaba is a B2B marketplace, so it's a business to business. So most of the sellers here are manufacturers, so the products will sometimes take time and you pay up front. All right, so we want to find products that are ready to be shipped so that we can pay immediately. So I also just selected 2 quantities or minimum of 2 orders here so that we can be fast in this video. So we have rechargeable fans here, and you can just scroll through. That's if you also want to buy a rechargeable fan. So I'm just going to work with this first one here. So I click on this fan. And this is the product page, and we want to select the order that we want to buy. So you come here, you click on select now, and these fans, they come in different methods or models, so you can select the quantity of what you want. So I'm just going to select one for each of them, and here this is where you find the shipping cost, the shipping total. And what happens is that you are allowing Alibaba do the shipping for you, so they are going to charge you a very high amount of money. So I'm going to make another video that talks about how to ship your products and ship them for cheap. So make sure to subscribe and watch out for that video. So I'm just going to continue with this pricing here, but again, make sure to watch the next video I'm going to release. And what the next thing you need to do is basically come to continue to order. So from here you find the shipping address that you initially set up when you created your Alibaba account, and you can basically change the address from here. So one of the ways to get free shipping or to get cheap shipping is to actually send to a third-party logistic company in China. So what you have to do is come here, you click on change, and then you can add a new address from here. So you can basically add a Chinese address. So you can come here, select any of the countries. In this case, we are going to use China. All right, so just select China and put the address in China. So once you continue with this, and you can pay with your Visa card or your MasterCard. But currently in Nigeria, our cards do not work for online transactions. The regular debit cards, they don't work. So if you want to do these payments using a Nigerian card, then you need to have a Nigerian dollar card. So if you have a domiciliary account, you have a dollar card, or you can create virtual dollar cards or even prepaid dollar cards from banks. So these cards should work since they are in dollars, and right here the pricing is in dollars. So again, as at when I'm making this video, the Nigerian Naira cards, they don't work online, so make sure to put that into consideration. So the first method is very common, which is to use your card. So you can basically come here, add your card details if it works, and you just proceed and pay, and then your product will be packaged and shipped to you. But again, you have another method here, which is you can use Google Pay, you can use PayPal, you can use Apple Pay, and then you can use bank transfer. However, bank transfers are usually not advised, or wire transfers, because they take time and stuff like that. And another issue is that your Google Pay may not work unless you have a dollar card attached to it, the same as your Google Pay. So once you have dollar cards, you can basically put your information here, and then you can proceed to checkout. Or again, you can basically come here and select other payment methods, which are Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, and transfer, wire transfer. So if you click on proceed to pay, you can select which of the cards or which of the payment methods that you want to use to pay. So again, from here you can use a credit card, or you can use PayPal, you can use Apple Pay. So you can see it says you need a compatible Apple device to complete this payment. So you have to do this from an Apple device. Also for Google, you need to use Google Pay directly. And wire transfers, this one, they say it comes through Alibaba, is secured by trade assurance, but most times this actually stalls. So this is how to pay for your products you buy on Alibaba.com. I hope this video was helpful. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be making more videos around e-commerce. So if you're interested in e-commerce, then subscribe. I'll see you